Hi everyone, this is Ramakant, father of Ritisha, studying in 4th level, student of Amrita teacher. So, where there is a will, there is a way, and you have proved it again. This COVID-19 has never stopped our kids from learning, and it all happened because of you. Thanks to Amrita ma'am and SIP Abacus management team for all your determination and willingness for continuing the classes through online platform even during this tough period of time, and keeping our kids engaged through learning throughout this lockdown period. I wish learning never stops in SIP Abacus. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Here we are going to talk about the online classes that's being held by the SIP Abacus team, and really grateful to Suhasini ma'am and the entire team where they are conducting these online classes so that kids' portion could get completed on time.
The other thing which I wanted to quickly talk about is I think this is a very good initiative by Suhasini and Srivani ma'am in keeping the students engaged, bringing them up to speed on their classes, which used to happen physically when they were attending those classes. But I think it's a very good initiative, and we are really appreciative of the fact that the kind of diligence, the kind of rigor, the kind of coaching and mentoring that goes into bringing these kids up to speed in terms of their classes, in terms of their knowledge, is humongous. So thanks a lot to the entire SIP Abacus.
Hi, I'm Sarika. This is my daughter Hansika. All the teachers of SIP Academy are really doing great job. The way they are conducting online classes during this lockdown period to continue the training program is really awesome. All the efforts and hard work of the teachers are outstanding and appreciable. I'm very happy and grateful that I joined my daughter in this best branch of SIP Academy.
I admire all the teachers for their hard work. I do really enjoy all the online classes that my teacher conducts. They are very enthusiastic and supportive. They are also very patient when it comes to clarifying our doubts. You do so much for our betterment. Thank you all for your efforts.
Hi, this is Farida. My son Abdul Mukaddim studying in Abacus since 8 months. His teacher Nishita ma'am. She is very clear and concise with her topics. She is very patient. She encourages and motivates her students. My son got good knowledge and improvement in Abacus. I thank Abacus Institute. Thank you.
నేను చాణుక్య వాళ్ళ మదర్ని మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ఈ లాక్డౌన్ టైంలో మీరు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ కండక్ట్ చేయడం చాలా బాగుంది. పిల్లలు టైం వేస్ట్ చేయకుండా స్కిల్స్ హోంవర్క్స్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఈ క్లాస్ మధ్యలో ఏమన్నా చిన్న చిన్న డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వచ్చినా కానీ మా బాబు అడిగితే అమృత టీచర్ బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నారు. మాకు మాత్రం చాలా యూస్ఫుల్గా ఉంది.
Go to one and all. My name is Srihansai Kisiri. I go to SIP Abacus in Padmarao Nagar. I am in 4th level. Because of this situation, our Prime Minister has declared lockdown, so we cannot go to Abacus in Padmarao Nagar. So we're taking online classes. The online classes are helping me because if we didn't have online classes, we will forget the subject, and I want to say thanks to all the staff in SIP Abacus and my teacher, Mrs. Asha ma'am. She will help me if I have any doubt. I will call her and she will tell me anything. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to say a big thanks to Swati ma'am and teachers. You gave me the confidence to dream big. As this was a tough time to take classes because of COVID-19 coronavirus outbreak, but you have inspired me to begin with a new way of learning through online classes. Your positivity and encouragement have make my days brighter. I'm so grateful that you were my teacher. I'll always remember you and Swati ma'am. You are the best teachers. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.
Good morning, Soumya ma'am. I appreciate you, ma'am. We are taking online. We are happy to taking online classes in this lockdown period. They are enjoying a lot. Whatever you are giving the homework and all, they are done well. children are so very happy. You are encouraging each and every child. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Happy good morning, Soumya ma'am. Ma'am, whatever I am learning in your abacus classes, it is useful for me. We are enjoying online classes. Thank you, Soumya ma'am. Have a nice day.
I, Swati, mother of Shukla Reddy. I wanted to say something about Shailaja ma'am. When she was taking the online classes, I have observed her. She explains the topic very clearly. She speaks with parents very politely. Every time she says to me, please sit along with your child for a while and let them do it and observe are they doing correctly or not. She's a very good teacher.
I like Shailaja ma'am and she is my favorite ma'am. When I have a doubt, she clears it kindly and I like her gestures and she is my favorite ma'am.
Good morning. I am Dr. P. Venkateshwar Rao, father of Akarsh, doing advanced 2 level in Abacus SIP Academy, Manikonda branch, headed by Srivani madam. My son Akarsh teacher, class teacher was Suhasini madam. Now I want to share my opinion regarding online classes conducted by the SIP Academy in this pandemic situation of COVID-19. I express my sincere gratitude to the teachers who are doing very hard work under this situation.
I, Audrey Vivian, wants to speak few lines on SIP Abacus online classes. As I joined in Abacus classes, the calculations became very easy for me. Either it is an addition or subtraction without waste of time. This online classes sharpens concentration and observance. It is helpful in better reading and writing. It develops confidence and self-esteem. The teacher who taught me to do Abacus is Kavita ma'am. She takes the class very pleasantly without any anger. Miss Vishwadit, I'm studying in civil class. I joined SIP Abacus 3 months ago in Gayatri Nagar branch. I enjoy learning here as the faculty is very supportive and guides me well. Due to Corona lockdown, now the classes are conducted online through video calls. They are clearing my doubts and help me in learning the concepts. If I get doubts while doing homework, I call to my teachers and clear them. They are always ready to help. I am thankful to SIP Abacus Gayatri.
So I really appreciate the effort of putting especially Monica and Soumya madam. They are very approachable, always encouraging us, and they are adapting the new challenges also. Currently they are putting more efforts to conduct the online programs very effectively. Thanks for the SIP program for the organization conducting these classes effectively.
My daughter is studying in the center for more than 2 years. Once government announced about this lockdown, we were worried on how the center will conduct classes. How the SR Nagar branch came with online class option before even the school started exploring that option. Initially we were concerned how the teachers will explain new concept, but later we realized that everything was going very smoothly. Also want to appreciate the teachers, especially Ambikeshwari ma'am, for taking care of each student in such a way that every student is getting involved, and they also more than 90 minutes. I would also like to reiterate myself one more time, thanking Ambikeshwari ma'am for her dedication towards teaching and taking care of each student. Thank you.
I take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt thanks to the Abacus branch Barkatpura under the leadership of Shireen madam. Barka madam is dealing the classes for my kids, and during this class I could observe that although she is engaging the classes through the Zoom app, it is almost all comparable with the real classroom. The interest she is focusing on each and every child. After each question, her follow-up, punctuality in rendering the classes are highly appreciable. Even the students are also taking the class very seriously as if it is a real class. So my Appreciation goes to Shireen Madam, to Barka Madam and other teaching group. Thank you one and all.
Hi all. I'd really like to thank the SIP Abacus team for helping the kids out and not leaving their hand even in these critical times. Online classes are conducted and they are really helpful and very interactive. As a parent, I was not initially knowing as to how the teachers would take care of the kid at the class. However, when actually listening to these classes at home, these online classes, it's really very good, very encouraging, very well planned. I would seriously, like to even thank the teacher, Ms. Srivani ma'am.
Hi, I'm Gayatri, mother of Samiksha Madia of level 1 in SIP Abacus from Bodupal branch. I'm taking this special opportunity to thank the Jyoti madam for being amazing in her approach, accommodating our kids online, on time, and also accurate in her teaching. I also say a big thank you again for the energy that she put to find its way into our kids' brains. Thank you.
Nowadays, we know the current day's position. Due to this coronavirus, we are all unable to step out from our homes. Then how can we engage the kids? Now my son Harsha Vaibhav is pursuing his 5th level abacus class. It is possible through only online. The SIP Abacus branch of Himayatnagar arranged this online classes for a week now. They are conducting quite perfectly and my son is able to learn very well and he is practicing a very good. His practice is very good and it is very important to engage the kids during this lockdown period.
I'm Dr. Ali. I am working as a radiation oncologist in Hyderabad. My daughter Manal goes to SIP Abacus classes at Sheikhpet branch. She is in level 4. This center is being managed by Humaira ma'am and Manal's teacher for this level 4 classes is Afsha ma'am. During this COVID-19 pandemic situation leading to a lockdown where attending physical classes is just impossible, they have started these online classes for all their students. I appreciate their initiative. What I have noticed is her teacher Afsha ma'am is able to concentrate individually on each and every student during these classes. Very efficiently she is able to conduct these classes. If any student has any doubts, that's really good thing that she is able to clarify it before proceeding further. So she makes sure that each and every student is on the same page. They are clear with their concept before proceeding to the next concept.
जैसे आँखों की डिबिया में निंदिया और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई ये तो आशा की लहर है ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है खुशी